Good afternoon, it's Joel Hawk from MarineMax, Lake Ozarks. Today we're looking at a 2025 Sea Ray 290 SDX. Got the nice submersible swim platform, your underwater lighting, nice stainless steel ladder. Coming up on the back of the boat, you've got the nice sun lounger. Coming through the walk-through here, you got a nice compartment. Throw some quick gear in there. You get your stereo controls while you're out coving. Nice safety door for dogs or small children. You've got the washer here. A nice step coming up to step out of the boat. Nice kitchen, refrigerator, grill, nice trash can, nice lighting coming up. Large Simrad screen, diffusion radio. Come up to the bow of the boat, very spacious. Coming up to the head, spacious. Nice lockable container there. You got your co-captain seat with the bolster matching on the driver. Plenty of storage, nice wraparound seating. Seat converts and also will come up as a bolster. Nice in-floor storage. Finish up with all the storage in this boat. Nice bimini top. Thank you for watching. Come and see us, Joel at MarineMax, Lake Ozarks. You can reach me at 314-568-6004. Thank you.